am here at a property on Bedford Lane in Germantown, Tennessee. This particular property is listed at $929,000. It's a beautiful home. You pull up in the driveway, walk in. There's actually a doorbell here on the side entrance. And you can just imagine your guests coming in and enjoying the beauty of this home, the luxury home here. There's a lot of opportunity to entertain and just enjoy all of the features of this particular property. The property boasts 5,000 square footage or more. It sits on almost a half-acre lot at 0.38. The property was built in 1998. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 1 half bathroom, and a 3-car parking garage. The property is also located in the Bedford Plantation subdivision, and there are tons of pristine custom high-end finishes in this particular property. There's an elegant foyer with a vaulted ceiling. There are tons of built-ins features with this particular home, lovely chandeliers, and you've also noticed the beautiful soaking tub, the wonderful study. We'll see that within this tour when you walk in. There are transom windows, custom draperies, plantation shutters, handmade lacquer wall coverings from Nepal, custom iron French doors, gleaming hardwood flooring, updated kitchens, updated baths. The roof is 7 years old. The HVAC systems were all replaced in 2016. And there are 3 fireplaces throughout the property with built-in speakers and the elegant chandeliers that I mentioned before. You'll also see the epoxy floors in the garage and the upgraded landscaping and the drainage added in the backyard. So we're gonna go on and tour this beautiful place. If you have questions about this particular property, please let me know. My name is Kelsey Mansoray with EXP Realty. You can reach me at 901-451-8089. So from the front entry, you see the staircase, and to your left is the dining area. To your right is the wonderful study. So let's change up this tour and look in the study first. So this is a wonderful space. Of course, you can transform it to be a space or flex space that works suitable to your family's needs. But we walk forward, see the double doors, and we enter into the lovely master bedroom suite. Walking forward, and there's a lovely entry into the master bathroom with his and her sinks on each side. And then also you see to my left and to my right are mirror doors. So you see here that there's a super large closet with lots of shelving and opportunities for storage. So that's a great space to have. And then also on the other end with the mirror door is another walk-in closet with lots of shelving and storage too. All right, so see all the cabinets and the mirrors and the walk-in shower, which is nice. So this is a nice place for relaxation and respite. So we go forward, and to your right is your den area with the fireplace and double bookcase. And you look further out and you see the patio, which is wonderful for entertaining. And to your right is another sitting area or living area that's adjacent to the kitchen. So here's a bar also, an extended bar for additional seating. And this property has been kept in immaculate condition. There are so many features to list and discuss. So you see the stovetop here from the island. We have an electric stovetop here. All stainless appliances. Lovely countertops. Gorgeous cabinets. And then also pay attention to the lovely chandeliers and the unique walls. And so I know with some buyers, they are cognizant of space, and especially a chef. There's a nice pantry space here. And then when hosting guests, there's an additional closet for all of your silverware and plates and so have you for serving your guests. So this is a beautiful home, very nicely decorated, but there are so many features about the home that makes it warm and inviting and appealing to a family or even an older couple looking to just enjoy a quiet space. So I wanted to highlight the den here, or the living room, which we already passed. So here's the living room again, on the stairs, and the dining room and den with the kitchen adjacent to it. So just want to make sure that we also feature the laundry room. So there's cabinetry here, shelving space, and there's also a bathroom with mirrors from the ceiling to the floor. And it's directly from the driveway door where the doorbell is located. So there are kind of two entry points for the resident or the guests that are invited to this particular home. We continue forward and you see the 3-car garage, and there's a ton of cabinets here. So you can store all of your workmen's items and equipment. 3-car garage and extra closet storage space here. You have a door here too that leads out to the backyard patio. We'll get there in just a second. Let's go upstairs first to view the additional bedrooms. Check out the other guest rooms and bedrooms for children and family. So directly up the steps from the kitchen, you'll see this bedroom here with an attached bathroom. Lovely chandeliers once again. It also leads out to the hallway. So we passed the entryway upstairs and walk directly into the nursery. So this is a wonderful space for a young child or this could be a flex room. It could be an additional workspace. So we see the bathroom here, a place for towels and toiletries, and an additional sink. So this is great if you have a boy and a girl, stair-stepper kids, where then one child could enjoy the other. One child could enjoy the other bedroom, and they could share the bathroom with their each individual sinks, and then move forward to the other bedroom. And this room also has a very deep closet here, walk-in closet with additional shelving, which is always important. All right, so one of the great features about this particular room is this nook over here. So this is nice for the kids to study at in the evening, do their homework. Has this nice slide out table. Or this is also an area for your guests to maybe read a book, or just to settle down, or even look over the patio. So this is nice to be able to just look over out of the window and see the entertainment festivities that you might have at your home. We're going in the other direction upstairs, and we're going to enter into this humongous bonus room. So this can also be a flex space. It can be a bonus room, a man's cave, a recreation room, an additional workspace, a fitness room, a theater. That's also an option for you. So there's a lot that you can do with this space. And there's a huge closet here too. So a huge walk-in closet, and the mirror closet there leads to the attic, where there's a lot of space also. So, and if you choose to tour this beautiful home, you can certainly walk up the steps and check out all of the attic space. So this gorgeous home definitely has lots of surprises, gorgeous features, detail. So let's go down the steps and check out the patio. All right, so from the kitchen and the dining room, living room, and den, we exit the home, and and just soak in this lovely patio. The 4 pillars, 4 brick pillars. That lead down the steps to a tranquil mini park. It's an excellent place to enjoy by the fireplace, outdoors, a glass of wine, nice conversation with friends, and time well spent with family. So to your right, you see the gate that I mentioned earlier that leads to this backyard space from the driveway. So this is an exquisite home with lots of features, details. The architecture is wonderful. And this particular door here leads to the garage. So. If you'd love to learn more about this particular property in Germantown, Tennessee on Bedford Lane, please reach out to me. Let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'm happy to schedule a tour for this luxurious home or any other exquisite homes within the area. Again, my name is Kelsey Mansoray. You can reach me at 901-451-8089. Thank you, and you have a wonderful day.